Good morning. Right now it is 11:33, so it is barely morning, but I've been up since about 7:30. Yeah, I've been up since about 7:30. So I am finally up and ready for the day. Not ready as in like showered ready, but ready as in I'm ready to tackle the tasks that I need to tackle. So the big priority number one for today is to literally clean my room. I have clothes everywhere. I just have stuff everywhere. And I mentioned this in the previous vlog, I think, but we're going to be moving soon. So I just need to start getting rid of stuff so that the packing process will be a whole lot easier. So that is the plan for today. I also need to get the vlog for today edited and uploaded. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start cleaning. I'm going to clean up kind of like half my room, and then I will take a break and edit and upload, eat, and do all of that, and then I'll finish the other half of my room. I also need caffeine, but I don't know if I want iced coffee or I don't really know what I want, so I need to figure that out because I definitely need to get some caffeine into my system. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn on the Yule log on my TV and maybe just play some Christmas music. Hopefully I could find like a really good Christmas playlist on Apple Music or something. Or if you've created your own Christmas playlist, let me know down in the comments and link it or something so I can go check it out. But yes, let's come on and start the vlog. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my bed because I feel like I just feel so much better when my bed is made. So I'm going to get my bed made, and then I think the first thing I'm going to tackle is my dresser where my TV is, just because I want to turn on my essential oil diffuser as well. And then after I tackle that, I think the next area of business is going to be this area right here, which is literally all clean clothes, you guys. Like it's just being trifled through when I have to look for things to wear for work, and when my boyfriend was like looking for his military uniform. So it's really all clean clothes that are just in baskets that are just kind of thrown everywhere. So that's gonna be next, and then once I get that done, we're going to tackle this bad boy over here. And then after that, I don't think I'm gonna hit my closet today just because I don't think I have it in me. I also need to go to Target, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that today or not. And then I also want to decorate this wall back here with my Christmas lights. So that is the plan. I'm going to get off my bed now so that I can actually make it, and we're gonna get our bed made and we're gonna get this day started. So I will talk to you guys later. Update. It's a little bit later and I've made some progress. So I've gotten a lot of that stuff cleaned off. I got one of the baskets removed. I have a load of clothes in the laundry. I pretty much have that cleaned off, and then all of that stuff that's up there, like my lotions and stuff, are actually gonna go in this bin right here. So yeah, I've made a little bit of progress. Bed is made. So yeah, once I went downstairs to put my clothes in the laundry, I just got myself some iced coffee. So we just have some vanilla cold brew, and yeah, this like Yule log is so calming and I just love it. I did take a little bit of a break and watched a YouTube video, or part of a YouTube video. I didn't finish it. So I think I'm gonna tackle these next two baskets over here. And then yeah, so we're making progress. We are moving. It is still pretty early in the day. What time is it? It is 12:26. So it is still pretty early and we need coffee. So yes, I'm going to get back to cleaning, figuring out where I can put things, and we're gonna get it done. So I will talk to you guys. Another update. I've pretty much gotten all of that cleaned off. That big Amazon box is actually business stuff, so I just kind of need to organize it a little bit better, and I'll probably take that downstairs in the basement. So yeah, I'm actually like super proud of the progress that I've made, but I am starving. So oh my gosh, you guys, I am in love with this Yule log. Like, it's amazing, but I'm starving, so I'm actually about to take a little break and go and eat lunch. The clothes that I put in the washing machine are probably done by now, so I'm gonna switch those out and put like this last small load into the washing machine, and then I'll put up all of the rest of those clothes that are over there once everything is out of the dryer. And yeah, so I think after I finish eating, I'll probably come upstairs and edit the vlog and upload that and get all of that YouTube stuff done. And yeah, that's really the plan for right now. I've ate lunch. Your log still playing in the back. So you guys remember how I said I was gonna wait until my clothes are done to put the clothes up? I lied. I'm about to get this basket of clothes put up, primarily because I'm tired of looking at it. So I'm gonna put this basket of clothes up, and then we're gonna get showered and all of that for the day. And then after that, we are going to edit and upload the vlog. So I've been playing this Yule log for at least 3 hours, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and turn on some Hulu and watch some Hulu. I don't know what I'm gonna watch yet, but we're gonna watch some Hulu. We're gonna put these clothes up, and yeah, the day is just moving along. It is actually 2 o'clock right now, so I'm still sipping on my iced coffee. I actually am almost done with it. But yeah, still don't know if I'm gonna go to Target later. So yeah, let's find something to watch on Hulu and let's get these clothes put up. You guys, they have on Hulu this true crime tab. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see. But yeah, they have a true crime tab, and they have a movie on Casey Anthony. So guess what I'm about to watch? This movie on Casey Anthony. Showered and dressed. So lighting, sorry. I am now back in the bed. I turned on the Yule log because I'm about to edit the vlog that needs to go up today. So just wanted to have the fireplace back in the background because like I really enjoy it. So we're about to edit the vlog and get that all uploaded. I'm actually hungry again, but I don't know if I'm like hungry or if I'm like hungry because I'm bored hungry. Not really bored, but like, you know, cleaning my room is not something that I really want to do. So I don't know. It is, let me see, It's 3:34, and it's only been like 2 hours since I ate. Granted, I didn't even eat really anything filling. I really had soup, so it's not like I had like a lot of food, but I may go downstairs and get myself a snack after I finish editing this video. But this video needs to be edited and go up. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. We're gonna get to editing, and that's it. That's all. Also, I got the basket is on. You guys can see, so that needs to go in the trash right there, and then that's just like things that are pretty much kind of packed up already. And then of course you guys know that is my work bag, and then I still have to get like this basket over here, but I kind of cleared out most of this for the most part. This is trash, and then I got like that cleaned out. I got all of my stuff in that basket, and then that pile over there is my makeup bag of the makeup that I use most often. And then these clothes need to be hung up, my wonderful DSM-5, and then those are just like extra blankets that I don't really have a place for. So I've made really good progress with my room, and I'm really happy. My closet, like I said, I don't think I'm gonna touch that today. I still have to put up my Christmas lights on this wall, so honestly I think once I get this video done, I'm gonna go get the Christmas lights and start putting those up. And then I think later on I may watch a Christmas movie. I don't really know yet, but yeah, let me get this video done and I will chat with you guys later. I'm heading downstairs. My dogs need to go out. There's the old lady right there. And then I guess while I'm, you guys look, she's just like, what is going on? Come on, come on. Okay, I'm getting ready to take the dogs out like I said, and then I will probably get a snack while I'm down here. I need to put my last load in the dryer and take the load that's in the dryer out because those need to get put up, unfortunately. And then I'm also about to put up my Christmas lights, so I am super excited because it is getting dark out, and I feel like it looks so much better when it's dark outside to have my Christmas lights plugged up, to have the fireplace going on the TV. So it is gonna look so good in here. So it is almost 4:30 actually, and yeah, that's just, we've been working all day, guys, so I'm very proud of myself. We have a lot of clothes left to put up. Not really a lot, but some of them are just like my boyfriend's clothes, so I'll just like fold those. There's really not a place for his clothes, honestly. I cannot wait till we move, and so that we'll have more space. But yeah, I'm gonna find myself a little bit of a snack, and then I'm gonna start putting my Christmas lights up. And then, did I say the video is exporting? The video is exporting if I did not say that, so I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, back upstairs in my room. I just got granola and yogurt for a snack. I ate that already. We're about to put up the Christmas lights now. I just have them laying on my bed. So we're about to put them up on this wall over here. They're not very long, so I really don't have to do too much with them. So we're gonna hang those up, and hopefully, fingers crossed, that goes well. And then after that, I'm gonna upload the video, and then we'll be done for the day. Still have the Yule log going. I know I've said that like a million times out of this video, but I just want you guys to know how much I really love this thing. Like, I don't know if you guys can hear the actual crackling. It's amazing. But yes, let's put up these Christmas lights and we'll turn them on and see. You guys, this is what the lights look like. I didn't realize how few lights there were, but it looks weird because my extension cord's all the way down there, and it's not a long one. It's actually a surge protector, so this side is where it has to plug in, so this side had to be longer so that I could reach to the surge protector, and on this side is just like awkwardly short. So I guess I could buy another box and kind of like have it going across the entire wall, but it looks really weird. But I mean, I like it. It's okay, like it'll do. I don't need like a full shebang for Christmas. So yes, I'm just gonna deal with this for right now. I'm actually about to unplug them because I have my lamp on, and I'll show you guys what they look like later on when it's dark and I'm in the bed. Vlog is up. I'm just watching, well, I'm responding to some comments, watching some YouTube videos. So yeah, I still have the Yule log on in the background. And what time is it? It is 5:30. The lights are still going strong. So we're literally just lying here chilling. I really need to go finish doing laundry. I haven't done that yet. I'm just kind of procrastinating because I know I don't want to put it up. So right now I'm literally just about to catch up on some YouTube videos because I am super behind. I have so many videos to watch. So now that I have absolutely nothing to do because class is over, that's what I plan on doing, catching up on all of my shows on Netflix and Hulu and catching up on YouTube videos. So I'm just laying here, just chilling, just having a really chill night. And yeah, I just want to come in and check in with you guys and let you guys know what I had going on. I am hungry again, so I may go downstairs to get another snack because I think my dad is cooking dinner. So yeah. Okay, if you guys did not know, today was like National Candle Day or something at Bath and Body Works, and the lines were crazy. The candles were $9 and they're usually like $22.50, $24.50, something like that, but today they were $9 and I wanted to get some so bad, but I ended up not going because the Bath and Body Works near me in the mall completely sold out and online sold out. So I wasn't like trying to go too far to get some candles. Like I was like, at some point, like I'll just pay the $24 or whatever. My mom ended up going to like this really small Bath and Body Works who had a lot in stock, and then while she was there they ended up having another truck come and they got more, so she ended up getting me 2 candles. So I ended up getting Sweater Weather, and then I'll just read the notes on these, like, just in case you've never smelled them. For Sweater Weather, the notes are, if I could find it. Oh, here it is. Fresh sage, juniper berry, aromatic eucalyptus, fresh woods with essential oils. And then the other candle that she got me, which I might burn tonight, is black cherry, Merlot. And the notes for this is dark cherry, black raspberry, sumptuous Merlot with essential oils. So I think I'm going to burn my black cherry Merlot. I still have these clothes on my bed that need to be put up. They need to be hung up in my closet. My other clothes are done. I think I'm gonna just finish putting those up tomorrow. So yeah, I just want to come on and show you guys the candles that I got. So yeah.